Hi friends, this is Vinayak. Welcome to my channel Investing Mantras. Today I am going to introduce you to Nifty Bees. What is Nifty Bees? The Nifty Bees, it is the first ETF in India which was introduced by Benchmark, an asset management company, on January 8, 2002. Now called as Nippon India ETF Nifty Bees, which trades on the capital market segment of NSE. Each Nifty Bees unit is 1/100th of the CNX Nifty index value. Nifty Bees units are traded and settled in dematerialized form like any other shares in the rolling segment. Benchmark Mutual Fund calculates and disseminates real-time NAV for Nifty Bees. Advantages of Nifty Bees. Nifty Bees is simple. Nifty Bees can be bought, sold like a share through any NSE terminal at prices available on the screen. The underlying portfolio of Nifty Bees very closely replicates that of the CNX Nifty. Hence, Nifty Bees tracks the movement of S&P CNX Nifty. Nifty Bees is convenient. Now, why is it convenient? As it is listed and traded on NSE. Nifty Bees can be bought, sold throughout the trading day just by a call to your broker or buying in your trading account online. This gives you the power to react swiftly to changes in the market. You can even place limit orders. Nifty Bees can be held in your DP account with other portfolio holdings. Nifty Bees is liquid. The structure of Nifty Bees attracts liquidity from various sources such as buying, selling by investors, FIs, DIs, and by authorized participants with the underlying shares. It is highly liquid fund. Nifty Bees is neutral. The performance of Nifty Bees is simply the result of performance of shares in the S&P CNX Nifty index and demand and supply in the market. There is no fund manager bias. Nifty Bees is transparent. As Nifty Bees replicates the S&P CNX Nifty, investors can know at any given point of time where and how much is invested in each stock. Nifty Bees gives instant diversification. Investing in just one unit gives exposure to 50 shares of S&P CNX Nifty. This allows investors to spread risk with one single decision. These are the 50 shares available in Nifty 50. The amount invested gets diversified in this 50 shares. Nifty Bees is an equitable structure. The unique in-kind mechanism of redeeming Nifty Bees by exchanging a predefined portfolio ensures that long-term investors do not bear the cost of short-term trading as observed in traditional open-ended structure. This insulates long-term investors from short-term trading activity. The performance of Nifty Bees since inception. If you had invested 10,000 since January 2002, it would have been in July or so on 1st of July 2021. Your amount total invested would have been 23,40,000, which would have multiplied into 5 times almost by more than 1 crore. In this way, you can generate wealth by long-term investing. So start investing as soon as possible. Even if you begin today with a monthly SIP of only ₹500, you may be receiving more than 5 times returns. Also take your financial advisor's advice before investing in stock market, as the stock market investment are subject to market risks. This is only one investment idea. Always do your own research before investing in market. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.